Hi folks, just a quick one, just to let you know my new book is now available on Amazon, Watercolour Painting Made Simple, Stephen Cronin. So you can either search on Amazon for my name, Stephen Cronin, or I'll follow the links in the description, take you to my author page on Amazon. So it's lots of recent work I've done in there, and a load of step-by-step guides I've got. You can just follow the painting step by step. I basically took video stills to use as the photographs in the books. You see the whole thing build up from start to finish. So I hope you enjoy that. Take a look on Amazon, see what you think. You can preview the first few pages, see if it tickles your fancy. So I'm going to start working actually on the, hopefully this will be the first of a series. So this is volume 1. I'm about to start work on volume 2, so I'm going to crack on with that now. So best of luck and happy painting.